Hello students, today's topic of discussion is going to be text analytics and text mining. So we'll first try to understand what exactly these two terms mean, what are the differences between the two, and what are the different applications of these two things which we have in today's business. So first we'll try to understand what exactly it means by text analytics, or rather why it would come into the picture. Obviously, because we have a huge number of data digitally recorded today, and we have text documents available at our disposal. It is in the best interest of any business organization to analyze this data, the text data which they have. It could be in any unstructured format, and in all probability it would be in unstructured format, but to put it into proper structure, to analyze this text so that useful information can be extracted from it. That is the idea behind text mining or text analytics. Because the vast majority of data we have is in unstructured format, it is an important step to retrieve the information out of that unstructured data, put it into appropriate format, and perform the process of what is known as knowledge discovery. So business knowledge is very important. You can get the competitive advantage out of it. If you miss out on finding out important information out of this textual data available to you, you will be losing out on the business. And the business organization who are involved in mining the data out of it, mining the text available to them, performing the process of knowledge discovery would be at the advantage. So in order to gain the competitive advantage, it is very vital for today's business organizations to analyze this data, to mine the textual data they have, and retrieve important information out of it. First, let us try to understand the difference between the two terms, text analytics and text mining. Text analytics is a broader term because it not only includes the knowledge discovery process, but it starts with the information retrieval from the unstructured data sources, putting it into the appropriate form, performing the process of data mining on it, and could be other form of mining like web mining as well. So data analytics is a broader term which covers number of things apart from text mining, while text mining is primarily focused on discovering new and useful knowledge from the textual data sources. So if you consider this figure, if you consider text analytics as a umbrella term, it covers number of things like information retrieval, information extraction, data mining, and web mining, while text mining specifically includes the process of knowledge discovery. But generally if you consider text analytics, it would be containing two main things: information retrieval and text mining. So these two terms, I mean, text analytics covers everything: data mining, web mining, information extraction, but primarily two things: information retrieval and text mining. The text mining, it is also known as text data mining or knowledge discovery on textual databases. It is the semi-automated process of extracting patterns from large amounts of unstructured data sources. The important term for us to understand is unstructured data sources, because howsoever huge amount of textual digital information we have, but it will not be ready for mining directly. It is in the unstructured format, so it is important to put it into appropriate format, perform some filtering, some pre-processes onto that data in order to get the useful information out of it. So it says text mining is same as data mining in that it is also a process of knowledge discovery, but the sources of data as far as the text mining is concerned are only textual documents such as Word documents, PDF file, text excerpts, XML files, and so on. While that could be different in case of data mining, it could be images, it could be audio video files, it could be graphs, it could be any other thing as well. So that is how you can differentiate between text mining and data mining. Text mining primarily works on the textual documents, plain text, Word documents, XML documents, PDF files, etc. In essence, text mining can be thought of as a process of two main steps. The first step is to start imposing structure to the text based data sources. As I said earlier, it is not possible to extract important information if the data is not formatted properly, because the sources of data produces the data in the form of unstructured data. It is important to pre-process that data so that you can actually get some information out of it. So the first step is always to put it into some structure, imposing structure onto the unstructured textual data, and then it would be followed by extracting relevant information and knowledge from this structured text based data using data mining techniques and tools. So that is data mining. Data mining has got its applications and benefits in various fields like law, academic research, finance, medicine, biology, technology, marketing, number of fields where you have got actually the textual data related to that field is available. The data can always be mined and important knowledge can always be discovered. The different applications area of text mining are information extraction, topic tracking, summarization, categorization, clustering, concept linking, and question answering.